Like, more? Teka lang, magtatagalog muna ako, baka maubos yung English ko. Well, first of all, gusto ko muna ipakilala yung sarili ko. Magandang gabi po, everyone. I'm Stel Ahero, and I'm from the group SB19 po. And currently, nandito ko alone to promote my solo journey as a solo artist. And of course, gusto ko rin mag-thank you, Star Media, for having me tonight. And of course, Kuya Eric, na naisip niya akong isama sa napaka-magarbong concert niya. Grabe. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Eric, everyone. Pag sinabi mo kasing Eric Santos, institusyon na yan di ba? Agree ba kayo? Yes! Sino yung nag-no? Wala pala ako. Grabe makatawa si nanay doon. Concert po ito hindi comedy po. Well, I'm very happy na I get the chance to perform in this kind of, big stage. For me, this is a big stage because bagong artist lang po ako. Nandito ako not as SB19, nandito ako as Stel, but dala-dala ko po yung brothers ko dito sa puso ko. Sir Jem naman, nagpapaiyak Hindi, sobrang happy lang po ako na binigyan ako ng ganitong klaseng opportunity na ma-share yung skills ko, yung talent ko, yung dance kong ganun-ganun. I love you too so much, forever and ever. Bukod po sa pustahan tayo, tatay ko yun. Dad, are you there? Tatay ko ba yun? Paano nakapunta yung tatay ko dito? Walang visa yun But yeah, kaya rin ako nandito dahil ang sarap balik-balikan ng mga kababayan natin dito.
Balik
Like,
kayo!
this is my third time. This is my third time here in Bay Area and walang nagbago. Mahal na mahal niyo pa rin ako. At wala rin nagbago dahil mas minahal ko kayo. Grabe siya makasigaw Single ka po ba? Taken ka na pero kinikilig ka pa din. But tulad nga po na sinabi ko, sobrang nakakatuwa, ang saya sa puso na nakakabalik po ako sa ganitong klaseng lugar. Kasi ang lamig-lamig dito. Sa Pilipinas, apakainit. Tsaka, baka pag niyakap po ako, mas mag-init tayo. So okay na yung ganito kasi may electric fan sa harap ko. Thank you, Star Media. Hindi ako natutuloy sa sinasabi ko kasi ang daming... But yeah, na-enjoy ko yung mga ganitong klaseng moments where I can perform, where I can, explore and share my skill, my talent, my voice sa mga kababayan natin. And ayun nga, wala na akong masabi. But this next song, sana po magustuhan nyo. Isa to sa mga kantang nagbigay rin sa akin ng inspirasyon. I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while." till I find my heroes will Maraming salamat po. Nagustuhan niyo po ba yan? Alam niyo po ba? Alam niyo po ba, sobrang thankful and sobrang blessed po ako dahil napakaraming blessings and opportunities yung dumadating po sa akin. And of course, kakabit din po nun yung opportunities for us as P19. Dahil sa totoo lang po, hindi naman po namin maabot to kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Sino ba 18 dito? 18 mag-ingay! Ayan, yan talaga yung miss na miss kong binabalikan dito. Yung makita yung napakagaganda at napakagagwapo yung mga mata. Sobrang amazing. Ha? All by nice eh? Actually po, gusto ko po ulit i-take itong opportunity para magpasalamat po talaga sa mga taong nakasuporta dahil sa totoo lang po bago ako pumunta dito, nag-perform po ako with Sir David Foster sa Philippines. And grabe po yung opportunity na yun for me and hindi ko po inaasahan na ganun po talaga yung magiging impact niya. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, kundi para sa akin po as a performer, as an artist. Grabe po yung pagmamahal at yung support na naramdaman ko. Kaya maraming salamat. Ha? I love you guys. Maraming salamat. So, maraming salamat po sa mga naka-appreciate ng performance ko po that night. Gusto niyo? Ano? Isa? Ako, hindi ko mapapromise kung magagawa ko siya, pero pagbibigyan po ba natin? Kailangan malakas yung sigawan. Parang mahina yung sigawan. Gusto niyo ba? Sige po, pagbigyan po natin. Sino yun? Saan galing yun? Thank you so much, San Francisco. Sobrang grabe yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman ko. Thank you po sa opportunity binigay nyo na ma-share po yung skills ko. But for now, syempre, nandito tayo para sa celebration ng milestone ng pinaka institusyon sa Pilipinas. Pag sinabing institusyon, Eric Santos agad din. Like, naalala ko nung nagper-perform siya, nasa crib pa ako. Sorry, dito na wala siya, hindi ko na mababackstab.
Kumakain sa tusong pa naman, hiyang naman ka na sa basin ng Valdez.
Hindi kasi syempre ikaw yung kinalakihan ko.
Grabe naman.
Dumidede ako ng ikaw pinapakinggan ko.
But please, how about a big hand for Stella Hero?
Kuya Eric, what an outfit!
I know, right?
You're so angelic. It's like The gates of heaven opened when you enter.
Yes, yes, yes,
Ang tagal pa
going.
yung tagal pa.
Guys, Eric Santos, everyone.
Thank you. You know what? It's such a blessing for me na maging parte ka ng tour ko na to.
Ay.
Kasi 18 din po ako kung di nyo na itatanong. Alam ni Listel yan, and talagang for me, you are very talented and world class. Basta ano lang alam ko napakarami mo pang kayang gawin. You are very excellent in what you do. And ang ma-advise ko lang sa'yo, just stay humble and continue loving the people who truly love you. Diba? Kapag minahal mo sila ng totoo at alam mo, sasamahan ka nila hanggang pagtanda.
Actually, gusto ko nga sabihin tama ka dyan. Kasi hindi talaga forever ako magiging humble kasi ito yung role model ko.
Oh!
Biruin ko, tagal-tagal na sa industry pero grabe, buhay na buhay, sumisipa. Pwede ba mag-lower yan? Kaya ba?
Lalo ko naman, baka nang matastas yung pantalon mo.
Pero kay Eric, thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Stel. Thank you so much. And for now, let's give them this wonderful medley ng ilan po sa mga hit Broadway musicals. Sana po yung maibigan po ninyo. Teleprompter, please. Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could fall
Sorry po, tabi-tabi po.
over here? Let the lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out your hand and someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. You will be
It's not simple to say. Most days I don't recognize me. These shoes and this apron, that place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to although it's true, I was never attention, sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken and won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and making a beautiful pie. She is love, but she's used to be mine. Used to be She's gone, but she's used to be
I peer through windows, watch the light go by, dream of tomorrow, and wonder why the past is holding me, keeping life at bay. I wander lost in wanting to fly, but scared to try.
someone like you, found someone like me, then suddenly nothing would ever be the same. There'd be nowhere to live, nowhere to go. Someone like you found me. Someone like
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for a second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can't hold me down.
I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're sorry. Some things I cannot change until I try and let go.
Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I've lost to the rapids. And nobody, and all of us, the wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me Stay alive, everyone!
Eric Santos, thank you so much!
Grabe.
Thank you.
Thank you.